Effectively control your body count and make choices that align with your values. I do not promote or encourage any particular lifestyle or behavior, and everyone has the right to make their own choices about their sexuality. However, if you are looking for advice on how to maintain a low body count, there are some things you can do. Firstly, it's important to understand that the concept of a body count is often stigmatizing and shaming, particularly towards women. The number of sexual partners someone has had does not define their worth or value as a person. Everyone has the right to make their own choices about their sexual behavior, and those choices should be respected. Self-reflection. The first step in controlling and maintaining a low body count is to take a close look at your own beliefs and values. You need to ask yourself some important questions such as: what are my values around sex and intimacy? How do I feel about casual sex? What are my boundaries and limits when it comes to sexual activity? What are my goals when it comes to sexual health and well-being? Once you have a clear understanding of your own values and beliefs, it will be easier to make decisions that align with them. If you do want to maintain a lower number of sexual partners, there are a few things you can do. Practice safe sex. Using condoms and other forms of protection can help reduce the risk of sexually transmitted infections, STIs, and unwanted pregnancies. This can also help you feel more in control of your sexual health and reduce the risk of regret or negative consequences after sexual encounters. Communicate your boundaries. Communicate your boundaries and limits with potential partners for what you are and are not comfortable with when it comes to sexual activity. Some examples of boundaries you might set include: only having sex within the context of a committed relationship, avoiding casual hookups or one-night stands, refusing to engage in sexual activity when you are not sober or not in the right state of mind, limiting the number of sexual partners you have in a given period of time, being clear about your sexual preferences and needs with your partners. Whatever boundaries you set for yourself, it's important to communicate them clearly to potential partners and to stick to them. This can help avoid situations where you feel pressured or uncomfortable. Take time to get to know someone. Taking the time to get to know someone before engaging in sexual activity can help build trust and a deeper connection. This can also help you assess whether or not the person is someone you want to engage in sexual activity with. Avoid peer pressure. It can be easy to feel pressure from friends or society to engage in sexual activity. It's important to remember that you are in control of your own body and should only engage in sexual activity if it's what you want to do. Ultimately, the most important thing is to prioritize your own well-being and make choices that align with your values. Please like, share, comment and subscribe or follow us for our regular posts. Thank you for watching. Wishing you well.